Find slope through two given points on a coordinate system. You'll find change in y over the change in x using a formula that is always provided for you. Find slope through two given points on a coordinate system.
Up and down is rise and left and right is run. That's pretty obvious. Okay.
The formula, y from the second coordinate, that's 5 out of these two coordinates, minus y from the first coordinate, which is also 5 in this particular case. And then for the denominator, it's the x from the second coordinate, which is -2, minus x from the first, which is 4. Now it's real important to be good with our integers, adding and subtracting integers. 5 minus 5, of course, is 0, and -2 minus 4 is -6. So our slope here, 0 over -6, that's 0. No slope at all. That would be a horizontal line. Now let's look at our second one. Y from the second was 4. And y from the first coordinate, -3. So 4 minus -3 for our numerator. And our denominator, x minus x, is 9 minus 7. 4 minus -3. We change that to addition and make it 7. And 9 minus 7, that's 2. That's a pretty steep slope. 7 over 2. Rise of 7, run of 2. Our next coordinates are 1, 4, and 6, -2. The y value from the second is -2, minus the y value from the first, that's 4, over the x value from the second, that's 6, minus the x value from the first coordinate, that's 1, -2 minus 4, that's -6, and 6 minus 1, that's 5. So a negative slope of 6/5, a rise of 6 and a run of 5. Our next coordinate, y value for the second is 5, and y value from the first coordinate is 10. Just be careful to plug these in properly. So 5 minus 10 for the numerator, then the x value from the second, that's 3, minus the x value from the first coordinate, that's -4. Okay, so 5 minus 10, adding and subtracting integers. Use a number line if you need it. 5 minus 10 is -5 every single time. And 3 minus -4, we change that to plus when we see it, and that's easy. So a negative slope, up 5 over 7, up 5 over 7, up 5 over 7. And this is a little bonus information for you, how to find the y-intercept and how to find the x-intercept of a line. You can tell that an intercept is where the line crosses that axis. So a y-intercept is where the line crosses the y-axis, and an x-intercept is where the line crosses the x-axis. That's obvious. What's a little bit tricky for some people is to find the y-intercept. You put 0 in for x, and to find an x-intercept, you plug 0 in for y. And if you think about that a little bit, it makes a lot of sense, actually. So I'm going to show you one example here, and then we'll be done with this video. Again, to find the y-intercept, plug 0 in for x, and I've done that for you. See how I put 0 in place of x in this equation? 0 in for x, and then just solve. -2 times 0 is 0. 0 plus 3 is 3. So y was 3, where x was 0, y was 3. So the coordinate that is the y-intercept is 0, 3. And where x was 0, y was 3. In this one, If you put 0 in for x, 3 times 0 is 0, plus 12 would be 12. So the answer would be 12 if you're curious, but you could have figured that out by yourself. Of course. Please, be well. And do well as well.